Good evening, guys. Welcome back. Welcome back with the fourth and last puzzle. The fourth and last puzzle in this edition of today's newspaper on Monday. Yes, it's Monday, May the 13th, 2024, and I've already solved three puzzles: the 3 stars, the 4 star Sudoku, and the binary. So it's time now for the Jigsaw Sudoku, aka Tectonic. In Dutch, they call it Cyberblock. In Japanese, Suguru. And this one has 4 stars, and for 4 stars puzzle I need 13 minutes or more to solve. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 17 printed digits. Should be an easy one. Yeah, because the hard ones has always 8, 9 or 10 printed digits. Double those numbers. Yeah, should be an easy one. So I don't think it's as a 4 stars, but it's indicated with the 4 stars, so 30 minutes or more. And this one will be number 8528. Alright, so let's get started. And the first question to you is, can we see here the single box? Because the single box is always a 1, or boxes. Here we have a single box, and there we have a single box, always a 1. Next question, do we have here dual boxes? I see here dual box. There dual box contains the 1 and the 2. Well, this box can be 2. So 2 should be here and the 1 goes there. Here also 1 and a 2, but I cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those 2 boxes. More dual boxes? No. How about triple box? Oh, no. Here we have another dual box. The 2 is already given, so that box should be a 1. Let me check. No triple boxes here. How about quadra boxes then? Let me see for quadra boxes. No quadra boxes here. Then my next strategy is to look for shapes, figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. For example, this shape. Let me draw this shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 2 here. Alright. Yeah, another one, but rotated. This box has the same number as that box. Do we have more? No, only 2 of them. Then the following shape. How about this shape then? Let me draw the shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 1 or a 2 here. Okay, do we have more? Here, another one, upside down. This box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 1 here. Alright. More? Nope, only 2 of them. Then the following shape, how about this shape then? Let me draw this shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. Do we have more? Yeah, another one here. This box has the same number as that box. In this case, it's a 1 or a 2. But we already have a 1 here. So it can't be 1 anymore. This box should be a 2. Is connected with that box, should be also 2. 1 box left in this dual box for number 1. Is connected with that box, should be also 1. Alright. And those are the shapes that you need to recognize in this puzzle. We have here 1, 2, 3, 3 shapes, figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. Maximum 6, not in this puzzle. In this puzzle, we have only 3 of them that you need to recognize. And the question is why you need to recognize those shapes. Well, then the following step, it's easy for filling those numbers. So let's get started filling those numbers. These 2 boxes can be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this area. Should be here. These 3 boxes surround the 2 can be a 2, so 1 box left for the 2 in this area. Should be here. These two boxes can be 3, so 1 box left for the 3 in this area. Supposed to be here. 2 numbers left in this area. 4 numbers 3 and 5. 3 and 5. We have a 3 there. No 3 there. 3 should be here and a 5 goes there. These two boxes can be 2, but also those two boxes can be a 1. We have a 1 here. So the 1 and 2 goes in those two boxes as a pair. The other pair in this area are the numbers 4 and 5. 4 and 5, we have a 4 there. No 4 there. 4 should be here. And the 5 goes there. Alright. These two boxes can be a 2. Those two boxes can be a 2. So 1 box left for the 2 in this area. Supposed to be here. 1 and a 2. We have a 2 now. No 2 there. 2 should be here. And a 1 goes in there. These two boxes can be 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area. Supposed to be here. 2 numbers left in this area. 4 numbers 3 and the 5. 3 and 5. We have 5 there. No 5 there. 5 should be here. And a 3 goes there. I think this box should be a 4, because give me 1, give me 2, give me 3. Should be a 4, can be a 5. Yes, definitely a 4. 2 numbers left in this area. 4 numbers 1 and a 5. 1 and a 5, okay. Then, let me see. These two boxes can be 2. That box can be a 2. So the 2 could be here, could be there. 2 numbers left in this area. 4 numbers 4 and a 5. 4 and a 5. Is connected with that box. Should be so 4 and a 5. These two boxes can be a 3, so 3 could be here, could be there. Let me see here. This box can be 2, that box can be 2, so 1 box left for the 2 in this area. Supposed to be here. These 3 boxes surround the 2 can be 2. Those 3 boxes surround the 2 can be 2, so 1 box left for the 2 in this area. Supposed to be here. 2 numbers left in this area. 4 numbers 2 and 4. We have a 2 there. No 2 there. 2 should be here and a 4 goes there. These 3 boxes around the 5 can be 5. So 1 box left for the 5 in this area. Supposed to be here. This box can be 1. This box can be 2. So the 1 and 2 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 1 and 2, 1 and 2. So 1 digit left in this area for number 4. This box is connected with that box, which is a 1 or a 2, but we already have a 2 here in the same area, so it can be a 2 anymore. Or a 1. Can be a 1. This should be a 2. Oi! We made a mistake. Well, it's not 1 and a 2. It should be, we have a 2 here. 1 and a 3. 1 and a 3. Wait a minute. Not 1 and a 2. Made a mistake here. Made a mistake. Not a 1 and a 2 here. Okay. Alright. So I need to wait here. Cannot fill those numbers yet. 1. Need a 3 here. And I need a 4 here. Okay. These 3 boxes surround the 1 can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area. Supposed to be here. These 3 boxes surround the 1 can be 1. That box can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area. Supposed to be here. And I've eliminated the 2. So the 2 goes there. Alright. So the 4 and the 5 are left. These 2 boxes can be a 4. So 1 box left for the 4 in this area. Supposed to be here. And is connected with that box. Will be so 4. 2 numbers left in this area. 4 numbers 1 and a 3. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here and a 3 goes there. 2 numbers left in this area. 1 numbers 3 and a 5. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here and a 5 goes there. I marked those 2 boxes with a 3. We have a 3 there. So this box can be 3 anymore. That box should be a 3. So 2 numbers left. 4 numbers 4 and a 5. 4 and a 5 here. So 4 and a 5. Alright. This box can be 1, can be 2, can be 3. So 2 numbers left. The 4 and a 5 again. This box can be 2, this box can be 1. So the 1 and the 2 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So these 2 boxes should be the 4 and the 5 again. 1 1 and the 5, we have a 1 now, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 5 goes there. These two boxes can be a 1. These two boxes can be a 5. So the 1 and the 5 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 1 and the 5, 1 and the 5. Well, I cannot place the 5 there because we have a double 5 there. If I place 5 here, I cannot fill any 5 we want in one of those two boxes. So the 5 supposed to be here and the 1 goes there. These 3 boxes throughout the 5 can be a 5. So 1 box left for the 5 in this area supposed to be here. This box can be a... Oh, wait. 1 and a 2, we already have a 1 there, so no 1 there. 1 should be here and the 2 goes there. This box can be 2, this box can be 1. So the 1 and 2 goes in those two boxes as a pair. So 1 is left in this area for number 3. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and the 3. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here and the 3 goes there. 1 and a 2, we have a 2 now, no 2 there. 2 should be here and the 1 goes there. 4 and a 5, 4 and a 5. Well. I need to wait here. These two boxes can be 2. That box can be 2. So 1 box left for the 2 in this area. Supposed to be here. 2 numbers left in this area. For numbers 3 and a 5, 3 and a 5. These two boxes can be a 1. That box can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area. Supposed to be here. Then 3 and a 5. We have a 3 there. No 3 there. 3 should be here. 5 goes there. Okay. These two boxes can be 5, so 1 box left for the 5 in this area. Supposed to be here. 2 numbers left for numbers 4 and the 3. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 4 goes there. 4 and a 5, we have a 4 now, so this box can be 4 anymore. This box should be a 5. And 1 box left in this area for number 4. Is connected with that box, should be also 4. 1 box left in this area for number 5. 4 and a 5, we have a 4 now, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 5 goes there. We go down. Alright, these two boxes can be 3, so 1 box left for the 3 in this area. Supposed to be here, 2 numbers left for the numbers 4 and the 5. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 4 goes there. These two boxes can be 3, so 1 box left for the 3 in this area. Supposed to be here. And the final 2 numbers 4 and 5. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 4 goes there. Finish in 11 minutes. Well, told you, should be an easy one with 17 printed digits. Should be a 0 stars, because for 0 stars puzzle I need to be faster than 30 minutes. Well, I've solved this in 11 minutes, so I'm very pleased with the time, and I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it all solved by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And we'll meet again tomorrow on Tuesday. So have a great and fantastic Monday. Until then, bye-bye for now.